Hello, I am Nick the Tool and I'm back with another product to make your job so much easier in the workshop. So today I want to talk to you about batteries on vehicles and the best ways to maintain them and also to make sure that they are serviceable. So lots of the problems you find when you get a vehicle in, the battery terminals can get a bit corroded, they can get a bit manky over time, and they need cleaning up to make sure you've got good conductivity and that you're going to get the best cranking performance out of those batteries. So what's the best way to do it? Well, you can get your old wire brush out and you can have a bit of a clean up, but if you use the right tool for the job, you can find you can clean up stuff a lot quicker, a lot more efficiently, and you're going to be able to do a better job. So let's have a look at one of the service kits that we sell. This comes in one of the webbing bags, so it's a nice reinforced bag. There's a multi-purpose battery terminal tool in here. This is a tapered spline blade, so you can offer this into the terminal clamp and spin it around. It's tapered, as you'll know the posts on a battery are tapered and also the clamps. This is a positive and a negative, they're both marked post cleaner, so you can drop that onto the post and wind it around. Obviously there's a sharp edge in here, and then you can remove this for a wire brush, and that wire brush is going to enable you to clean up the top of the post or around the edges of your clamp. So that's the first little handy tool in there. In here we have a small battery terminal puller. So this is a sprung loaded puller. Sometimes they can be a bit tight. Last thing you want to be doing is trying to lever on top of a battery. So this will drop on top of the clamp, tighten this up onto the post, and then you can pull the clamp off with ease without struggling. We've got a nice little handy tool in here again, which is a post cleaner, which you can use on either way round. This is a more aggressive cleaning tool for your clamp. So this is a bladed edge all the way around. As you squeeze it, it pushes it apart, so you can offer this straight into the top of a clamp, a little bit of a squeeze, and then run it round to ream the centre of those posts out. And then in here is a clever little pair of pliers. Now these are very useful actually. The part number is 208CCP. These are available individually, not only in the kit, and they're useful for lots of different jobs, but they're designed for just gripping hold of stuff with your battery. They've got curved jaws, so they're less likely to damage any of your posts or anything that you're working on, and they're a 30-degree offset, so you get more leverage in where you're working, and the design of these means the harder you press, the more grip that you get. So you've got five fantastic products there for cleaning and maintaining your batteries. If you want to know more about this product or about its price, just jump on a Snap-on truck and ask a Snap-on franchisee.